Hello, everybody, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I want to invite you to visit our village. I have a lot of animals, especially it's dark. Okay, you are so lovely. Yeah, hello. Okay, if you want to take it, I sell $1. Okay, $2. $3. Okay, Austrian my $4. $5. Okay, $100 because it's so beautiful, yes, and clever. So cute. Very good, very nice. So you okay? Dish a clever, a clever.